Section 1. The science of smiling. More than just a gesture. We give them to strangers, we offer them to our loved ones, and sometimes we even fake them when we have to. Smiles? They're simple, universal, and surprisingly powerful. But what is it about an upturned mouth that makes such a difference in our interactions? Science has some answers. It turns out our brains are hardwired to respond to smiles. When we see one, our brain's reward center lights up, releasing a surge of feel-good chemicals like dopamine and serotonin. It's a subconscious signal that says, this person is approachable, trustworthy, maybe even attractive. And it happens in a fraction of a second, influencing our perceptions before we even have time to think about it. This involuntary response speaks volumes about the evolutionary role of the smile. Back in our cave-dwelling days, a smile was more than just a friendly gesture. It was a sign of non-aggression, a way to disarm potential threats. Fast forward to today, and that ancient wiring still influences how we judge and connect with others. Section 2. First impressions, men versus women. Now here's where things get interesting. Research suggests that men and women might interpret smiles differently, especially when it comes to attractiveness. One study found that men tend to find women more attractive when they're smiling. It's thought to be linked to traditional gender roles. A smiling woman is perceived as more nurturing and approachable. Women, on the other hand, seem to be less influenced by a man's smile when forming first impressions. Some studies even suggest that women find smiling men less attractive, associating it with submission. Instead, women seem to be drawn to other cues of masculinity, like a strong jawline or a serious expression. Of course, this is not a hard and fast rule. Context, culture, and individual preferences all play a role. But it does highlight the fascinating interplay between biology, social norms, and our perceptions of attractiveness. Section 3. Beyond attraction. The psychological impact of a smile. But the power of a smile goes way beyond attraction. Studies have shown that smiling can actually influence our emotions and behavior. Ever heard of the facial feedback hypothesis? It suggests that the act of smiling can actually make us feel happier. The physical act of engaging those smile muscles sends signals to the brain, boosting our mood. And it doesn't stop there. Smiling has been linked to reduced stress levels, increased pain tolerance, and even a stronger immune system. One study found that patients recovering from surgery reported less pain and needed fewer pain meds when they made an effort to smile. So, next time you're feeling stressed or under the weather, try cracking a smile, even if you don't feel like it. You might be surprised by the positive impact it has on your body and mind. Section 4. Smiling your way to success. Navigating social and professional landscapes. Understanding the science of smiling can give us a surprising edge in social and professional settings. Knowing that smiles trigger feelings of trust and likability can be invaluable for networking, building rapport, and even acing that job interview. In the workplace, a genuine smile can foster a more positive and collaborative environment. It can help build strong relationships with colleagues, diffuse tense situations, and even boost team morale. Customers are also more likely to respond positively to a smiling face, making it a valuable asset in sales and customer service roles. But a word of caution, authenticity is key. A forced or insincere smile can have the opposite effect, making us appear untrustworthy or even creepy. The most effective smiles are those that come from a place of genuine warmth and positivity. So relax, be yourself, and let your smile reflect the best version of you.